Hey guys, all right, well, it is the first flying day of 2019. So we got everything loaded up back there. You can see everything packed full in the truck. Yeah, so first flying session of 2019. Headed out to the farm right now and meeting a couple buddies out there, and hopefully we'll get some good footage today of the flying. So see how it goes. We got Luna with us. Just gave her a treat, so she's still searching for the crumbs. Anyways, on my way there, going to be there in about 25 minutes or so, and we will get this flying day started. Hopefully the wind stays down and we can have a great day. Hi, Daryl.
Good day.
Am I allowed to put you on YouTube?
If you want.
Perfect. So I had a first flight with the gasser. Next is going to be the Tutor. Well, guys, first flying day of the year is done. Ended up being an absolutely beautiful day out here. Didn't get a lot of video because spent a lot of time flying and fixing and trying to make things work. So anyways, Luna was awesome today. She was wonderful. And gonna drive home now, but yeah, it was great. Worked out good. The one excitement today is, and I don't know how the video worked out, but I actually put the GoPro inside of my Tutor, which is this red and white and blue jet here, the Snowbird jet, and I had an engine flame out, and so I don't know when the engine flamed out. I just had no throttle response left, and landed it safely and everything was good. So, but then I figured out what the problem was. It was just a little connector. But anyways, so I'm interested to see how that video turned out, and of course, we'll find out when we watch the video and edit this video. So, awesome. Thanks, guys, for tuning in.